So what's up, you guys? Ariel here with the Pulsar, and for today I'm going to be replacing the map sensor. Reason why is that some days it turns on smoothly, air fuel ratio reading is pretty good, pretty normal for the most part, and then other days it starts having the rough idle and everything, and it's due to the map sensor. I did some troubleshooting and I moved the map sensor a little bit, and it will go back to normal. The rough idle will stop and everything. So that seems to be my issue. I already purchased a new map sensor just in case, if maybe the pins are bad on the OEM one, on the stock one that I have right now. So I'm definitely going to troubleshoot that right now. And and it also throws off my fuel pressure regulator gauge. Like, I would set it at 32, and then other days when I turn it on, it's like either at 20 or at 40 or something like that. So even when the car is all warmed up and everything, and then once I fix the map sensor, that's when it goes back to the setting that I had, 32, 31, and then it's riding normal. I took it to P-tuning the other day, that's in Manassas, so I live in Springfield. That's like about 40 minutes, 50 minutes, and it drove perfectly fine. I had no issues whatsoever. But so I'm gonna troubleshoot that today, and as you can see, I have a zip tie around it just to kind of like hold it in place, but there's like a clip around it to stay secured, and I'm using a paper clip, but it's not really doing its job when I can just remove it super easily, just like that, and it's not really supposed to be like that. So I'm gonna take off this little boot that it has to see if the wiring is maybe split, corroded, or anything like that. So I'll definitely check on that. So let's get to it. Alrighty, let's see if she still acts naughty. Oop, too soon, sorry. And there she goes. Awesome. Sweet. And looks like the issue is solved. Awesome. Now, this is just the first start of the day, so it might be a little bit rich, but before it would start directly from like 12 and under, sometimes even 10, like the high 10s. So this is actually perfect. Looks like that was the issue. That was my issue. Now that it's perfectly on, it's secured. That's not where I left it off, but we'll leave it like that because the car is happy. And all right, you guys, so looks like she's fixed. Nice, sweet. I'm happy, I'm excited. Yep, that's perfect. I love it where it's at right now. Awesome. Listen to her purr. Oh yes, I am happy now. So looks like it was that, you guys. Little bad map sensor, now it's completely fixed. I am happy, car is happy, and it turned on with the air fuel ratio readings that I am pleased with, because before, like I mentioned, it would start on at the high 10s, running really rich, and the car just having poor idle, and the max it will reach is the 12s, mid 12s. Now high 13s, and this is the first start of the day of the car, so this is awesome. I'm happy. All right, looks like she's all fixed. Looks like that clip and that sensor made all the difference. So now I would